Hi and welcome to another video. I'm going to talk about demonstratives. This, that, these, and those. Okay, so we're going to talk about the demonstratives. I'm going to explain each one. So the first one we're going to talk about is this. So when do we use this? We use this to show something that is near. Okay, something that is near and something that is singular. So, for example, I can say this pen is green. So for something that is near to you and singular, so only one object. Then we're going to talk about that. So that is something that is far. Okay, so something that is more distant. I can say far, and it is also singular. I can ask a person, please get that pen over there. This coffee is great. That cat is far from me. So now we're going to talk about the other demonstratives. So we have these. When do we use these? These when we have two items. So I can say these pens. So I'm mentioning these pens. They're close to me. These pens. So it is near and it is something plural. We also have those. Those we use when it's far and plural.